Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 4, subject EVS 1, lesson The Life Cycle of Animals. In this lesson, we will learn about different forms into which an animal develops before birth and different stages of development until they are completely grown. Let us now begin. Children, have a look at these animals. We have different types of animals in our surroundings like elephant, lion, zebra, birds, etc. Each animal looks different from one another. Children, but from where do these animals come from? They come from their mama. Every animal produces their young ones, their little babies, just how our mother has given birth to us. The babies of almost all animals look like their parents. Baby elephant looks like the mama elephant. The baby dog looks like the mama dog. The baby hen looks like the mama hen. The baby bird looks like the mama bird. The baby cat looks like the mama cat. Just like this, the babies of other animals also look like their parents. These animals can be divided into two categories, depending on how they bring their babies into the world. Type 1 are the animals who give birth by laying eggs. Animals who lay eggs. For example, hen, snake, lizard, butterfly, ant, etc. All these animals lay eggs. The babies are developed inside the egg and come out of egg once completely developed. Other category are the animals where the baby grows inside their mother's tummy, their mother's stomach. Animals who give birth from their tummy. For example, cat, dog, goat, horse, cow, etc. For all these animals, the babies grow inside their mother's tummy and are born from their mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. There are many animals that lay eggs, but their eggs are too tiny and small for us to see. For example, lizard, ant, tortoise, and many other animals. But the size of a hen's egg is definitely what we can see. Children, let us understand how a baby hen, a chick, is hatched out from an egg. A mama hen lays eggs. After laying eggs, warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the eggs. To give warmth to the egg, mama hen sits on the egg. This is called hatching. Children, do you know when mama is hatching the egg, she becomes aggressive, angry. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the egg. She wants to protect the eggs. During the hatching process, the chicks keep growing inside the eggs, and when they are completely grown, a chick breaks the egg and comes out. Mama hen looks after the chicks just as our mama looks after us. Children, up till now, we have seen that the mama and the babies look almost the same. There are some animals whose babies look very different from their mama until they grow into an adult. That is, until they grow big. This is called metamorphosis. We will learn about one such animal in our next example. Butterflies. Children, we all are aware about butterflies. There are different types of butterflies in our surroundings with different colors, size and features. Let us now understand how a butterfly is born. Here, let us take an example of a plain tiger butterfly. The adult butterfly first lays eggs on the milkweed dewy leaf. In the second stage, in 6 to 8 days, a larva comes out from the egg. Children, the caterpillar which you can see in the picture is called the larva. When the larva caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. So, first it eats the eggshell itself and then it begins to nibble, bite the leaf on which it is born. The caterpillar eats very fast and so it grows also very fast. The caterpillar is growing so fast that in 2 to 3 days it cannot fit in its own skin. So, the caterpillar forms a new skin under the old skin. Then, the caterpillar sheds, removes the old skin. That is, it molts. To shed old skin to make way for new growth is called molt. And again, the hungry caterpillar continues to eat leaves to grow further. In 2 or 3 days, it molts the second time. The caterpillar does the molting process for 4 times and remains in the caterpillar stage for about 10 to 12 days. But before molting, removing the skin for the last time, the caterpillar makes a layer of silken thread around itself and hangs itself from a leaf or stem. During the last molt, the caterpillar goes into the third stage, that is called pupa. It is also called chrysalis, as you can see in the picture. The caterpillar remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 to 12 days. But in this stage, it does not eat anything. Slowly, it is growing inside the chrysalis. Once the growth is completed, an adult butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. Now, it has 4 beautiful wings and 6 legs. All the butterflies go through these stages of growth. Children, here you can see a variety of butterflies. Each butterfly lays eggs on different types of leaves. The time taken by larva caterpillar to emerge to come out of eggs is different for different type of butterflies. There are variety of caterpillars as well. They have different colors, shape and size. Some are long, some are short, some are hairy and some are not. Children, now let us have a look at another interesting part. When we buy grains and store it in a box at our house, after some days we see some insects in it. This is because it is possible that some insects have laid eggs in the grains before, which we cannot see as they are very small. But as we keep the grains packed inside the box, the eggs of insects get enough warmth and heat to develop inside. So, when after few days we open the box, We can see the insects in different shapes and sizes. They too have same stages of growth like egg, larva, pupa and adult. This was all about your lesson, The Life Cycle of Animals.